So I just want to make a quick video. Today is week 2 officially over with the Rivian, with Reptar here. And just wanted to give a quick update on, things that I've come to like or not like as much in 2 weeks. So right off the bat, camera system on the Rivian, beautiful. When I'm street parking or parallel parking, they work phenomenal. I told my wife, whatever car we get in the future, must have these if we don't keep the Rivian in the future. One of the biggest gripes that I have with the Rivian is no holder for your glasses, for sunglasses. So I need to either buy something or I don't know if people are actually using the little notch underneath, because I've heard that it doesn't fit as well for some sunglasses. My sunglasses actually broke, so just ordered some from Amazon with their Prime deals right now. But yeah, once I get those, I'll try the little cubby down here to see how they fit. But overall, just again, loving the car, drives great. A couple of issues with the highway assist. I don't know if people have been having issues this week with it, but it wasn't able to actually drive fairly well on the highway, and it felt like it was accelerating at times when it should have been braking. So I had to take over a few times. So those little details, but honestly, my dog loves it. They're up higher. They get to see more. The windows help a lot for them. And yeah, overall, just a little short update on the Rivian, how living with it, charging networks has been good. The only thing I would say is if you are on a public network like I am and living off of the public chargers, the one thing you need to make sure is that when it rains, potential power outages. So keep track of the weather and make sure your battery is healthy enough to survive, 3-4 days without charging. Luckily, my battery was good, but yeah, one thing that I noticed, I wanted to go top it off because I had to drive to the suburbs here in Chicago, and I realized the charger that was by my house, that one wasn't working, so I had to go to a different one. So again, just little things to keep in mind when you're living off of the network or even on a road trip, that potentially on your way to the charger, if there's a power outage or something, you will need to change plans. The last thing I will say is I just got confirmation from Rivian. My NACS adapter is on its way, and so is a green Rivian hat that I ordered with it. Once I have that, I will update you guys with a video of actually testing it out at a Rivian, most likely at a Tesla charger, to see how well or how hard it is to do so. So look forward to that video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.